Smiling. Welcome back to Tech Reviews, your ultimate source for the latest in gaming technology. I'm your name, and today, we're diving into a hands-on comparison of the Asus ROG Ally X versus the original ROG Ally. Spoiler alert, the new model brings some serious upgrades. At first glance, the Asus ROG Ally X and the original ROG Ally look quite similar, but don't be fooled. There are some significant changes under the hood. Let's start with the most noticeable improvements: memory and battery capacity. The ROG Ally X now comes with more memory, and double the battery capacity compared to the original. With increased memory, the ROG Ally X handles multitasking and heavy gaming sessions with ease, and the larger battery means you can game longer without needing to recharge. In our hands-on tests, the difference was clear. Games loaded faster and we experienced fewer slowdowns on the ROG Ally X. Plus, the extended battery life was a game-changer during those intense gaming marathons. Another upgrade is the enhanced cooling system in the ROG Ally X. This keeps the device cooler during extended use, which is crucial for maintaining performance and comfort. As you can see, the ROG Ally X stays cooler, allowing for longer, uninterrupted gameplay without overheating.